Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 21st till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. Want to start your self love journey but don't know from where to start? You can definitely take the 30-day self love challenge course. Super easy to understand. It will raise your vibrations permanently if you do it with all of your heart and soul. And definitely, it will make you help you become the best version of yourself. So let's start, Leo. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening, Leo. लगी है temperance. Someone is feeling they should remain patient in the situation, and they're hoping for some kind of positive energy, positive outcome in the direction, but they feel like they should remain patient, very patient. Let me clarify the temperance. Okay, we have the Three of Wands, the Chariot, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, Leo, there is someone around you who is definitely feeling like right now they have to move on from the situation, but they're hoping for a brand new beginning, hoping for a fresh start, fresh chapter in this situation in the coming future. So, this is someone who is feeling like right now, even if it is not happening, it will definitely happen in the coming future. All they have to do is to remain patient and keep going. Okay? Keep moving their ass. Just kidding. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Ooh. Sorry. I keep on doing this the whole day. There are a lot of cuckoo birds here. Okay, so King of Swords. So from your side, you feel like remaining very practical, very logical, very cutthroat. Like this is it. You want me? Get out of here. You don't want me? Get out of here. That kind of energy you're carrying right now. Let's clarify the King of Swords as your feelings. Ooh, 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 ooh. God, I love it. Let's clarify the King of Swords. We have the Six of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the World card. You feel like having success and victory in your life with or without anybody. You're like, I'm done with this game. All I feel right now is to focus on my goals, my victory, my success, my life, my rules. I don't care about anything or anyone else. Got it? And you're so cutthroat right now in this kind of energy that even if somebody is going to talk to you about love, maybe you are going to be like, I don't care. Come back later, maybe 10 years later. Goodbye. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Tower. Their intention is to shake things up with you. They want to come towards you with some kind of shocking truth or shocking revelation or something. God. Let me clarify the tower here. Ta-da! We have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Swords. This person wants to reveal something to you about a third party, about another person, about another heartbreak, about another energy that they are going through or they went through. So they definitely want to reveal to you something about a heartbreak that happened not because of you, because of something else or someone else, but that directly impacted your connection with this particular energy. So they want to come forward towards you with some kind of heartbreaking truth so that they can make you realize what they have gone through and why they did whatever they did or why they are the way they are. Okay. So they want to reveal some kind of heartbreaking truth to you about them so that you can understand their energies, their point of view, and maybe let them in. I don't know. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Four of Swords. You just want to hang on to this idea of detachment, letting it go. You just want to be in this mood of healing yourself and being in the detachment kind of energy, and not getting involved too much in anything or anyone else's life. Okay, not allowing others also to be in your life too much. Let's clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Six of Swords, the King of Swords, the Page of Cups. You are giving me this King of Swords energy a lot. So you don't want to hurt people, Leo. It's not your agenda at all or intention, but you are doing that knowingly or unknowingly, not consciously maybe, but you're doing that. You did just want to keep moving towards calmer water, letting go of the past baggages, and be very practical and logical with an open heart. It's not possible like this. You're telling me that I want to keep moving forward in my life by cutting a lot of crap out of my life, out of my system, and remaining very practical and logical, but with a lot of love, because I'm made of love. And I'm doing all of this, Anjali, because I just want to heal myself, because I myself is so hurt right now that I don't want to get involved in any kind of mess. Although it's not your intention to hurt anybody, but you are hurting and at least one or two people with whatever you're doing, because the way you're doing it is kind of hurtful and painful. Not to you. To you, it's making sense. To them, it's like you are doing it. You are going overboard in something, and it's hurting other people, other energies around you. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 27th of April. Moon card. It's like hidden energies, hidden truths, secrets, and a lot of unknown fears. Let's clarify the moon. We have the Age of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Judgment. You will be working on this energy of, okay, let me think about it. Let me think about a particular person or situation or connection. Let me think about letting it go and or recovering a situation, or should I completely let it go? Maybe there will be a choice between two people, two energies, and or there will be a choice of letting something in your life or letting it go completely out of your life, out of your system. I don't see a clear cut understanding of what you should do, but you will be working on this energy of, okay, let's work on this. Let's face it. You are going to be finally in this energy of, see, physically you might be facing a truth, might be from a very long time, but this is still something that's stuck inside of you. It's like tattooed inside of you, and it's demanding your attention from quite a long time now, Leo. And finally, you're going to do that, but there will be no clarity. There will be no an understanding of what you actually want. So you will be in this energy of, you will be busy figuring it out, like what should I do in this energy, in this direction, so that I can be happy, so that the other energy is also going to be happy, so that it's going to be a good energy for both of us or for everyone involved. So it's like trying to reveal your own truth to yourself, trying to understand your own energies within your own self, and trying to figure it out, but not able to do that because there will be a lot of illusions and secrecy and hidden things. But you will be at least taking the first step towards it. That's the thing. Yeah, that's the guidance as well. The Seven of Cups, you will be trying to do multiple things, multiple, and you will be dealing with multiple energies or multiple problems at the same time, or you're trying to distract yourself with multiple people, multiple things, multiple energies at the same time. It's not recommended at all. Take it one day at a time. Do one thing at a time. Finish that, then move to the next one. Start slow, but at least start. If you are confused, write it down. Writing down everything is going to help you a lot, Leo. Trust me. Journaling it down, writing it down will help you to understand the pros and cons and negatives and positives, and then it will help you to make the right choice, the right decision. If you can't do anything, like you are so lazy like me, just sit with yourself, close your eyes, and understand whatever is going on in your life, in whatever area of your life, why it is happening, why you are still attached, what it is giving you. Is it something that's gone, that's done, you got the lessons or the blessings, or it's still going on? So try to talk to yourself like this and figure out what's going on. Is it necessary for your growth, or is it done? If it is necessary, you can hold on to that and keep going with that, and try to figure the best possible way to handle the situation. If it is gone, it is done. You got the lesson, you got the blessing. It's high time for you to cut your ties in a positive way, send love, send forgiveness to this situation, to yourself, and cut the cords. That's how you do it. That's how spiritual people do it. So we all are spiritual people actually, because actually our body is not in our soul. Oh, sorry, our soul is not in our body. Our body is in our soul. That's the reverse thing. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.